300, 500, 400, that is exactly what I'm selling these products for, and I'm making over 1,000 profit daily doing so. This method is completely passive, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I resell all kinds of electronics and designer clothing, and you guys are probably wondering on how I make profit selling these, and it's because I'm able to buy the product for so cheap. I get these Airpods for $20, I get these Airpod Max for $100, and I'm also able to get these denim tear hoodies for a little under $50. And I'm then able to sell these products for the original price and make hundreds of profit on each item. Now, what I use to get these products for so cheap is called a vendor or a supplier. They are basically the people who will make these products and sell them for super cheap, and it's really hard to find a good one. I've been searching for so long, but I'm going to save you guys time today, and I made a website where you guys can get all the best one-to-one suppliers. These are all the suppliers I use personally and all my friends use, and I went ahead and listed it first thing in the description. Let me just show you guys how good the quality is for my vendor's product. This Amiri sweatshirt is exactly the same as the real one, and the only difference is it costs 10 times less. I got Yeezys right here. I wear them all the time. And they only cost me $60. The Airpods are insane quality too, guys. They have noise cancellation, valid serial numbers, and they only cost me $20 fucking. Same thing with the Airpod Max. It doesn't feel like cheap quality, and I own a real one of these, and everything matches. They have noise cancellation. They are metal. Like literally everything is identical. The denim tear hoodies only cost me $50, and these things will pass StockX, and I can sell them for over $300. Now that you have a basic understanding of how reselling works, I'm going to show you guys how to start right now. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and choose a product you want to start out with. If you don't have a lot of money, I would recommend buying the Airpod Pros 2, as those only cost $20 from my supplier, and I'm then able to resell them for $250. If you have the money though, I would recommend reselling Airpod Max or the Dyson hairdryer, as those only cost $100 and you can resell them for $400 plus. Now that you figured out which products you want to resell, you want to go back to that website I told you about earlier and go ahead and buy the supplier for that product. And as soon as you buy, you'll be sent a link to the private supplier, and from there you can order the product. Once your product arrives, what you want to go do is download these apps: eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Depop, OfferUp, and Mercari. Any of these apps will work. However, I recommend making listings on all of the platforms to increase your chance of sales. Now, the most important part when making a listing on these apps is to make good quality listings. You're going to want to join my Discord in the description, and I have a whole entire page with high quality pictures you can use to make your listing with. And if any of you guys have questions, you can also contact me in my Discord for help. So real quick, I'm going to show you exactly how I make my listing on these apps and how I get so many customers buying from me. I use the pictures from my Discord, and you can list the price whatever you want. Personally, what I do is start high, and if no one is interested, you can lower the price a little bit. The most important part is for the condition to be listed as used and good. If you list it as brand new, Facebook will take the listing down automatically, and then this happened to me so many times, so make sure to avoid that. You can tell them it's brand new in the description and Facebook won't take the listing down. Also, the brand should be Apple, and you guys can just copy what I have in the description right here, and that is pretty much it. You guys can also see what people are selling the Airpods for around in your area and try and copy that price. As you guys can see, I have hundreds of messages in the past 2 weeks, and this is around 2,000 to 5,000 in sales right here. It's just that easy. Another way to boost your sales by over 5 times is to have a receipt generator to make you authentic receipts to show to customers. As you guys can see, it has all the popular brands, and I just fill this command out right here, and I instantly get sent an authentic receipt to my email. I definitely recommend this for people who are serious about reselling, and you guys can get the generator on my website. So now that you received your product, made your listing, and you're just going to want to wait for offers to come in. When selling in person, you will want to meet in a public area like Walmart or Starbucks. You can tell them it's a real or rep. It's completely up to you. I tell them it's fake, and they still end up buying because the quality is identical to the real one. If you guys want to learn how to sell reps on StockX or how to dropship reps, I have a one-on-one mentorship on my website that teaches you all the ways I use to resell reps. You get 24/7 help from me, and you get all suppliers plus a receipt generator and more useful tips and tools. Once you sell your first product, you want to take the profits from that and double your supply. If I sell one of these Airpod Pros, I'm then able to buy 5, and then if I sell 5, I'm then able to buy 10, and so on. And once you feel comfortable, you can start adding more products to your menu and start selling more. Now, the only mistake I ever did in the beginning of reselling was buying from bad quality suppliers. You guys luckily won't have that issue, as all my suppliers down below on my website are all tested for quality and fast shipping. So I would make sure only when buying products to buy from my vendors down below. And make sure when buying to buy in bulk, as you don't want to run out of supply and have to wait for another shipment, because you guys will just be losing money. Alright, that's about it for me, guys. If you guys want more tips or tricks, you can join my Discord down below and ask me any questions or ask in chat. Make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. I'll see you guys later.